Hi guys, this is one of the most difficult question of grade 8 and this is from algebra. Now we need to understand how to solve this question using the identities. So the question is if x plus 1 by x is equals to 5, then the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 is equals to. So let's see how to solve this question. Now to solve this question, first of all, we start with what is given. What is given to us? X plus 1 by x is equals to 5. Now focus on what to find. We need to find out what is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, which we can only get when we keep on squaring, because when you square x, you get x squared, and when you further square it, you get x to the power 4. So what do we understand from this? Whatever is given to us, we will do square on both the sides of it. Now on left hand side, we will apply the identity of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square identity? If you remember, it is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Correct? If you apply this identity over here, you will get x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 times x times 1 by x is equals to 25. 5 squared is 25. This x and x gets cancelled. We are left with x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 equals 25. Transpose 2 to the other side, it will be subtracted. So 25 minus 2 will be 23. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is equals to 23. Now this is the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. They might give you questions in which they can ask you what is x squared plus 1 by x squared or x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. If they ask for this, we get the answer for x squared plus 1 by x squared. Now to get x to the power 4, now we know we have to further square it. Again, we square on both the sides. Again, we apply the same identity. This time it will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 times x to the power 2 times 1 by x to the power 2, which is equals 23 squared is 529. This and this gets cancelled. We are left with x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equals 529. Shift positive 2 to the other side. It changes to negative 2. So x to the power 4 over 1 by x to the power 4 is 527. This is our final answer. I hope you liked it.